Hello friends, welcome to the official YouTube page of Everest IAS Academy. So today we are going to discuss in this video about the UPSC previous year question papers and the strategy which we can use in the examination hall to get the answer for the questions. So as part of today's video friends, like every year in the UPSC preliminary examination, out of 100 questions, 30 to 35 questions are picked directly from current affairs segments. And in this segment friends, if you read the proper sources, that is as we say already in the classroom program, so the idea is to actually pick up the direct sources like Hindu newspapers, PAB, a gist of all the important schemes and government related informations which were in news, and also by going through the All India Radio News analysis and Rajya Sabha TV discussions, we will be in a comfortable position to answer most of the questions in the examination. So otherwise, normally an average candidate can answer 15 to 20 questions on an average. And the persons who are clearing this examination, every year if you see friends, there are around 10,000 candidates are clearing this examination out of around 5 lakh candidates who are appearing for this examination. So the 10,000 candidates who are in this process of writing the mains examination, they do actually have the ability of going the extra mile. That is, they will try to land up getting another 5 questions, that is 10 marks, by using some of the elimination strategies in the examination hall. And today's video is also in that line only friends. So this is one of the UPSC preliminary questions which was asked in 2016 UPSC examination friends. So let's go and study this question. So recently our scientists have discovered a new and distinct species of banana plant which attains a height of about 11 meters and has orange colored fruit pulp. In which part of India it has been discovered? So this is a question, and let's study the options friends. So they have given Andaman Islands, and then Animalai Forest, and then Maikla Hills, and then tropical rainy forest of northeast. So friends, for a question like this in the examination hall, it's always ideal to go for elimination strategy, because friends, these are the questions where you can use some conceptual clarity and try to eliminate the options and land up getting the answers with an accuracy of at least 50%. Otherwise, if you see friends, there will be usually a factual based questions which might be asked in the UPSC examination according to the recent trends. In such a scenario, it is better to leave those questions when we don't have any idea to guess. So it's better always to use the proper elimination concepts rightly in the examination hall friends. So let's go and use some of the strategies in which we can find the answer for this question. So according to the 4 options which has been provided, so they have actually found out a new banana plant. So one thing we should know about banana plant is that it is a tropical crop. So by tropical crop we mean is that it is actually found only up to 23.5 degree north and south of equator. So this is the region in which actually this tropical, especially tropical fruit crop banana is cultivated. And what is the unique thing what they are telling is that this particular banana plant is attaining an height of 11 meters, so which is actually considered to be very abnormal. In addition to that, it is actually yielding orange colored fruit pulp. So the banana fruit actually it is in orange color. So this is basically a recent new discovery, and this has been asked in that year examination on based upon current affairs segment only friends. So basically friends, those who have not covered the Hindu newspaper of that year, they can also actually can land up in a position to try to get the answer for this kind of question. So let's go and use some of the strategies in which actually we can find the answer. So the idea what we have, like what are the clues which we get from the question is that it is a tropical fruit crop. Okay, so let's go and place the options in which of the places where they are located friends. So first they are actually talking about Andaman Nicobar Islands. Okay, and then they are talking about Animalai Forest which is located in Tamil Nadu Kerala border. And then we have Maikla Hills, this is actually located in Chhattisgarh region. And then we have the tropical rainy forest of northeast, so the complete tropical rainy forest of northeast has been included. So by studying at the option, one thing common sense what we can use is, suppose the banana plant is attaining such an height of actually like 11 meters in which they are saying, normally friends, the northeast areas of India is basically prone to monsoon, so it is one of the most high rainfall region. In addition, the wind speed is also very high during the monsoon region. So in such a condition of high wind speed, basically these kind of tall plants cannot survive, and this option can be eliminated from the among the options which has been provided. Next, they are actually talking about Maikala Hills, which is located actually in Chhattisgarh. One more thing is, friends, the basically in the central regions of India, they comes under the semi-arid region. So basically they receive actually less rainfall when we compare to the other monsoon areas, especially the coastal rates like coastal states like Kerala and Tamil Nadu, and then Karnataka. If you compare, Chhattisgarh actually lies in the semi-arid region of India, and it receives very less rainfall. In such a scenario, because the tropical banana plant actually requires very high rainfall, this option can be easily eliminated. So we are actually ended up in the 50% probability. So let's go and find and narrow down the answer, friends. So they have provided two regions. One is the Anamalai forest, which is located in Tamil Nadu Kerala border. Okay, one more thing is Andaman Islands. So let's go and see, friends, the question once again. So what they have actually telling is that they have found out a new species very recently only, and scientists have discovered. So one thing what we can actually common sense we can use is, if you see, friends, in case of Anamalai forest, which is located in Tamil Nadu Kerala border, here actually the human interference is more in the forest region. We have done a kind of urbanization along the peripheral areas of the forest. But when we take the Andaman Islands, basically even Andaman Islands and as well as these Western Ghats, in which Anamalai forest is located, both come under the endemic regions of India, in which actually native plants will be cultivated. So there is a high chance for both these regions to have this kind of tropical varieties, especially the plants which can attain a unique characteristics can be found. But one thing what logic we can use is that in case of Anamalai forest, the human interference is very more. In such a case, we would have discovered such a species very much in advance only. But rather now scientists are discovering all of a sudden means somewhat which is a less human interference zone, which can be usually found in Andaman Islands, where, because friends, we used to know that Jarwas tribe and all, which are actually located in Andaman Islands, they are actually like they have very less human, they like human interaction with other outside peoples of the world. So in such a scenario, there is a high probability for these kind of species to be cultivated in such a places of India. So the answer can be A option for this question, friends. Friends, kindly understand, here we have taken only 50% risk, because in anyhow C and D option is eliminated, and we never knew in the examination all the logic which we have used for this particular question is going to be 100% right. But what we can assure is that we have landed up in a probability of 50%. That means when we get a positive mark, that is when we get the answer correct for this question, we will land up in +2 marks. Otherwise we will be losing 0.67. In this scenario also, we have went only for a risk of 50%, and this is actually an ideal situation in the examination hall, and that to these kind of questions we can 100% go and take the logical guess, friends. So the answer for this particular question is also the Andaman Islands only, friends. And for your reference, we have attached the source for that particular article, because this examination UPSC Prelims 2016 was held on August 7, 2016, and this particular article was reported in Hindu newspaper, from which it was very directly picked. If you could read this particular article, friends, this is how it was reported in Hindu newspaper in states column. That is why actually, friends, I say this Hindu newspaper basically it is very much essential to clear this UPSC preliminary examination. So in addition to that, these are some of the online programs we have been running. Those of you who are interested in this particular program can contact the number in the description box below, friends. Thank you, friends.